Training JS number 12 loop statement for in and for off. In lesson 11, we learned that for loop can be used to traverse an array. We want to traverse an object. We can use variant of the for as for in. This can traverse all the keys of the object. An example, this is an object. I'm getting an object. And now for v- variable key in, I'm going to get all the keys. If I write this, then I'm going to get all the item, all the keys, and I'm going to get, if I write object.key, then it is going to give me the value. Then I'm going to get all the value. Foreign can also be used for array. So we can also use for in for array. And if I do that, it is going to give me the key is going to be the indexes, right? If we use it in array, then the key is going to be the index and the value is going to be the value of the those indexes. Now, although foreign can be used to traverse the array, this is discouraged because in some cases order may be unexpected. So it is recommended that you use another variant for this, for off. So for object, to iterate over object, to traverse an object, we are going to use for in, and to traverse an array, we are going to use for off. So now let's do a task. The function give me 5 except one parameter object which is an object. Create an array which you will eventually return. Then traverse object checking each key and value. If the length of the key is equal to 5, then push it key to the array separately. If the length of the value is equal to 5, then push the value to your array. At the end, return your array. You should use for in your code, otherwise the solution not may not pass the kata. So the first thing first, I'm going to declare an array, create an array which I will return, and that array is going to change. So is going to I'm going to use let and result array. This is an empty array. Now I'm going to use for in to iterate over the object. For and for let key of console.log. Let's look at the keys here. So if I test it, I can see that for this, I'm getting all the keys. Our is beautiful. I'm getting all the keys. Now, if I want to get the value, all I have to do is write key object. This is an object and then key. If I write this and test it, now I can see that our art. I'm getting key and value both. Now I have to check if my key is greater, the length of the key is equal to 5, then I'm going to push it to this array. If the value length of the value is equal to also 5, then I'm going to push this to an array, to this array. So let's write it. If key dot length is equal to 5, then result array dot push is going to be key. I'm going to push the key to the array. Another thing, if object dot key dot length is equal to 5, then I'm going to push this, uh, I'm going to push this object key to this array as well. And after the loop ends, I'm going to the return the result array. Let's see. It passed all the test cases and I'm going to submit it.